Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Are your feet cold? Well, mine are not, thanks to Busy Socks. So normally I wear a size 8 or 8.5, and these are medium, and they fit well with my roomier shoes. You have to remember not to wash them with white things, which was my mistake, but I really appreciated how warm they were. The specially developed advanced fibers keep my feet warm and comfortable in extreme cold conditions here in my area. I decided to work outdoors for an hour with no shoes, and I was okay. It was fine, but I tried my slippers on and they worked fine with slippers too. But I really love wearing them with my cowboy boots because these are a little roomier and no one knows that I have these thermal socks on that keep my toes warm. So if you're in freezing cold weather like I am, then get some of these thermal socks by Busy Socks. You will love them. I highly recommend them, and that's just my point of view.